How to fix Cash App declined for your protection. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App declined for your protection. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see several different options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap this one here with the clock icon. After that, you will land on the activity page of the app where you will see all the activities, such as money transactions you have made. On the page, you will see a red alert somewhere on this page, such as the one you can see here. The reason for the alert here is because of a new device login. So go ahead and tap this option here named Review. As you can see here, Cash App wants us to verify the login activity. They have recently detected a login from a new device. To help protect your account, let them know if it was you. So the reason is because you have signed in with a new device. What you have to do now is to verify the login activity. So go to the bottom of the screen where you will see two more options. One looks good, while the other is a logout device. If you are sure the login is from an authorized device or a device you know, and you are okay with it, then proceed and tap here, looks good. Otherwise, tap on the other option. After doing that, you will land on this other page where there is text that reads device verified. The payment will now go through. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App declined for your protection.